Friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 game controller not working or gamepad not working. So the very first thing what you need to do is to just click on the Windows icon. After that, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. And after that, go to the search option. Here search for device manager. After this, here you have to expand human interface devices. Select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, come back again, select disable Steam input and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best tricks to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. Wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows, and after that, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Some other troubleshooting tips to follow. Clear cache on Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads and go below here you have to click on clear cache. So this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. So confirm it. After that, log into Steam once again using your username, password, and after that, check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. Next, if using wired plug for your controller, then unplug it and replug it. This will surely help to resolve the problem. Next is to use big picture mode for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 game. So go to Steam, select your game under library section. In the above section you can see big picture mode. Simply click on it and after that check if the game is launching or not. So click on it. Now after you enter big picture mode, here you have to select the game and then try to play it. After that, click on Steam option, then click on power and then select exit big picture mode. I've done this. Now launch the game and check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.